My name's Jake Skate. I work for Alpha Racing in the race support and electronics department. This year we've started a new project between BMW North America and Alpha Racing where we're providing a race support service to all BMW competitors in the MotoAmerica paddock. This partnership allows us to be there to support the BMW products, the Alpha Racing products, and all of the competitors as a whole to try and develop what's already a very high-level system to make it customized for them to suit their exact purpose. A race support service allows us to essentially float between all of the competitors in the Superstock 1000 class and Superbike class. A majority of the bikes in the MotoAmerica paddock is the BMW M1000RR. Quite a number of privateer competitors running the S1000RR. We're seeing a few people now come through with the new 2025 BMW M1000RR, which is a really competitive bike. And I think in the future we're going to see a lot more of that because they're showing how competitive they are and how much of a dominant bike they are in the Stock 1000 class especially.